Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use landscape mode. After that, look at what I am doing. You just walk past, and as you walk past, you are going to be walking back again. The same line like you did before. Then look at where I stop. Then you can just do anything of your choice. Okay, you walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project, import your video to workspace, click on your video, you go and locate volume. Okay, click on volume now, reduce it to 100%, mark on the good and go back, locate where you want the video to start from. Okay, before I walk out, you click on the video, then you make a split, you delete the first part, we don't need it again. Okay, then you start scrolling, immediately you pass, you click on the video again and make a split. Before you start coming back, make another split here, then you delete the center part. Okay, click on the first part, go and look for overlay. So click on the first part of the video, locate overlay, guys, click on overlay now. All right, so at this point now, what we are going to be doing is to click on the video to go and locate mask. Okay, you go and locate mask. All right, locate mask, guys, click on mask now, click on horizontal. At this point, look at what I'm going to be doing. Immediately you join, immediately you come together, you click here and trim the video to that line. Good. So at this point, this first part is ready. Look at the result now. All right, mark on that good and go back now. So look at the first part. Good. So we are going to be clicking here to make a split now. Make a split to remove the unwanted part. You delete this part, we don't need it again. Look at the video result. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, go and locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. All right, welcome to the tutorial. Now we are going to be doing the second part of the video now. Okay, let's do the second part. So you are going to be clicking on that plus now to import your video again. Import your video for the second time. All right, like we did before. Click it and locate volume. Click on volume. You can see that this one is silent. Mark on that good now and go back. Locate where you want it to start like we did before, right? Before we come out, we'll click on it and we're going to be making a split. All right, delete this first part, we don't need it. Then you go, immediately you pass like before, you click on the video again, make a split. All right, click on it, make a split. As we want to be working out, click on it, make a split, delete the center part. Click the first part now like we did before, locate overlay, guys. You go and look for overlay, click overlay now. So at this point, what we are going to be doing is we'll click on this one and go and look for remove BG. Click on the overlay part. We are going to be looking for remove BG. Click on remove BG, click on auto remover, allow it to remove completely. Now it has removed completely. Mark on the good and go back. Look at it. At this point, immediately it gets together, you trim it like you did to the first one. Good, you trim it. So at this point, you mark here, this second part is ready, mark and make a split, delete the last part, you don't need it again. So at this point, this video is ready now. Look at the result. So you are playing it. If there are errors, you correct your error. Good. So what will be remaining in this video now is to add your sound effects, your light effects, and the other necessary effects as the case may be. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But another thing you want to understand about this video, remember, you use auto remove BG, and auto remove BG is a pro features, and you are not a pro member, you know that. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my video there, I've recorded on how to use Capcut Pro features for free. You can watch the video. After watching it, you will now come and learn and know how you can export your video to your gallery, okay? Then after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? Give us thumbs up if you are enjoying what we are doing, alright? See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.